Hold on, guys, just a quick update. Shibaswap is live. Everything has came out just like I predicted in the past few videos, and I kind of wanted to talk about some stuff today and what is pretty cool about this and what isn't, and I wanted to talk about what happens with bone and staking and all these cool features that they have, and maybe some potential secrets down the line, and my price predictions for this. So if you're a Shib holder and you love this coin, definitely make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to the channel. You might as well. I post Shib here daily, and then also other coins that you guys haven't heard of. Think a potential double, triple, quadruple your money. Give me a follow on Instagram. You won't regret it. I give simple plays like this every single day. And also check out my Discord, because if you don't know how to double your money, I think 10 minutes ago, I'm recording this video at shoot, I don't even know what the time is right now, but we literally just doubled our money on this play I just caught out. So we do this every single day, and we give you opportunities to double, triple, quadruple your money. It's very easy. All you gotta do is go to the top link in my description, join up, and yeah, we'll get you added, and then you could be making money like we do. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So yes, Shibaswap is live. They did a surprise launch on us, but it wasn't really a surprise because I did call this out multiple times saying that this would happen. But Shibaswap is live, and you can bury, you can stake your stuff, and you got to be careful because there's a lot of people trying to send their Shib to this certain address, to the Shib address, but that erases your tokens. That won't give you any staking or any of that stuff. So be careful of that. But Bone is just released. It peaked at $75 this morning. I didn't get in because I was super sick and I was sleeping in, but if I were to get in, I would have definitely got into Bone. But now it's only at as I'm recording this video, it's at $25. I think that this is not going to stay at $20 forever. I think that this is going to keep mooning. It's definitely going to keep going up. 100%. Think about leash. Leash is in the thousands, and when I caught it, it was in the hundreds. This is 20 bucks. So I'm definitely putting more money into it, and I'm going to leave it for a while, just not look at it. But yeah, Bone is definitely going to be something huge. I literally made a video on it yesterday, and the fact that it literally just released today is crazy. But I'm super excited to see what this is going to do for the coin Shib, because right now we're up 6% on the day. We're in an upwards movement, but Shibaswap was the biggest thing that they had coming, and now it's just it's a waiting game. We've had the biggest thing come out. We have Elon behind the coin. We have Vitalik in the coin still potentially. And now we have Shibaswap. That's the biggest stuff to happen to this coin. And I don't want to say it's peak, but now it's really just a waiting game. You know what I mean? There's only bullish news that we can cover now because everything's came out for this coin. They've teased this for literal months, and we finally got it. And it's absolutely crazy. So yeah, I'm going to make a full in-depth tutorial on how everything works. I'm sure you can find some on YouTube already if that's something you're interested in. It's very simple. If you want to go to their website, shibaswap.com. If you want to go to their website, I'll leave it down below and you can check it out. You just connect your wallet and you can bury your Shib. So yeah, I definitely recommend you doing that because the APYs on these are absolutely crazy. People are praising them all across Twitter. You'll get very good returns on these. So great news for us Shib holders. Just want to make this quick video because I felt like, this is the saga coming together. You know what I mean? I finally have Shibaswap at the tip of my fingers, and so do you guys. So yeah, definitely check that out. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Also subscribe to the channel if you're a Shib holder. I post every single day crazy information, crazy news, crazy theories, whatever I hear. And check out my Instagram as well. Like I said, like I mentioned in the beginning, if you want a team behind you that shows you great plays to get into every single day, make sure to join my Discord down below. It's discounted. Actually, it's not discounted anymore. The price is going to raise in 3 days, like I've steadily been doing. So definitely go check that out. And yeah, guys, let's get it.